Hello everyone. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. Let us join our hands together and make our students to get success. With this pandemic situation, it is necessary to have e-learning. For the e-learning process, we have to update ourselves with the technology. The process is very simple, kindly note down. From the Google Play, download the two apps, that is, one is the Google Classroom and the other one is the scanner, that is, any scanner which can convert your document into a PDF. Let us see how to join the Google Classroom as a student. This process has to be done only at once in the beginning. Open the Google Classroom app which you have downloaded. At the topmost corner, you can find a plus mark. From the plus mark, move to Join Class. It leads to a menu where you need to enter the code. Kindly enter the code which is assigned. Click on Join. Now the joining process is completed. This is very much simple. I repeat, open the Google Classroom, click on plus, join class, enter the code. The joining process is completed. This will be done only at once in the beginning. Now the next step is to know how the work is assigned in the Google Classroom. Once you open the Google Classroom, the assigned work will be displayed on the front screen. Here is an example to know a new assignment, the maths homework, which is displayed over here. If you click on to the assignment, it shows you in detail. That is, the date, the due date and time for the submission, the marks allotted for the submission, and the description of the given work. And as your work is assigned, it shows you as your work assigned. That means work is assigned, still we have not completed the assigned work. Kindly note down the given work. Make sure that students will write the same work either in classwork or in homework as intimated by the subject teachers. Once the writing work is completed, with the scanner which you have downloaded, scan the assigned work and convert it into PDF. Make yourself ready with the PDF file to attach. Then the last process is move to the Google Classroom, the same display where the assignment is assigned. At the down corner where your work was assigned, just swipe upon your work. It asks you for the attachment. So click on plus, add attachment. Once you click on add attachment, the attachment can be done in many ways. Here is the display, but we are going to attach only the file. Click on file and select the file which you have scanned and converted into the PDF form. After the file is attached, click on mark as done. It means your work is attached and the work is done. It is necessary and compulsory to click on mark as done. It must be done after attaching the file. While attaching the file, it may take few seconds or minutes to attach the file. Once the file is attached, click on mark as done, then your work is completed. It shows you the display that the work is turned in. Turn in the sense the assigned work is completed. The process is very simple. Kindly go through it once. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.